Yeah, welcome to another show. On today's video, we got the hot chicken ramen flavor. This is with the Korean black. Sorry if you can't see me. The Korean black bean sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and get this bad boy going. I'm going to go ahead and pour in the packet of stuff of goodness there. So what I'm doing is leading up to the 2 times spicy fire noodle challenge. So we'll see how this one goes. Oh man, this stuff is black as black beans. I've never tried this brand of ramen noodles, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. And since I'm in the kitchen today, I can run to the refrigerator for milk if need be. So let's go ahead and get that mixed up. So let's see. That's good. That's not entirely all mixed up. So I hope that y'all are having a good day. I really hope this is not. I don't think it'd be as. Of course, it's not going to be as spicy as the 2X. I'm seeing a lot of different videos on that, but I'm going to try to get a challenger when I do the 2X spice, even if it's over Zoom. See if anyone else is up for the challenge. So, all right. I got it pretty much all good and mixed up. Kind of see that it's. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So don't stop. Keep eating. Does have a kick. Got a good flavor. You can definitely taste the black bean sauce, the black beans in there. So after I eat this, I'm going to do a 2-minute burn. See if I can last 2 minutes until I can get some milk. If not, then the noodles win. Still, I would encourage any of you to try it. If you're going to go for the fire noodle challenge, start at a lower level, get used to the spice level. But I tell you, this is not even 2X, and it is spicy. My mouth is burning, but when I'm eating the noodles, it's a good flavor. I like black beans also too. Definitely am tearing up. Let me grab a paper towel. that's natural. You're going to tear up. Nose is going to run too. That's perfectly natural. I have a tiger. Keep on going. I want to encourage you all to start your own YouTube channel, start your own food channel and stuff, or your own channel. I want to encourage you all to get rid of that fear. If you have ever had fear of videos, get over it. And don't worry about what others say or think. Step out of your comfort zone. That's what I'm doing. Stepping out of my taste comfort zone. I mean, I did build up a tolerance before for some peppers, but it's been a while. It is hot. Oh, it's hot. Okay. Oh, the clock shows 7:50. So I'm going to get to 7:52. 2-minute burn. 2-minute burn. Oh, guys. Oh. And like I said, this is not even the 2X. Now, I'm sure once I build up my tolerance and slowly get there, like if I ate these every single day, so if you haven't tried, the hot, that's what it looks like, the lid. Hot chicken, Korean black bean sauce. You can pick it up. I got it at the Asian market. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my mouth. When they say it's hot chicken flavor ramen, it's not just spicy. It's hot. So imagine 2 times that. Oh man. I'm so sorry again. We got another minute. Another minute to go. I feel like I'm crying. All right. Oh, okay. It shows 7:52 on my clock. I'm ending the burn time. It's time for some milk. Oh. And you know what else that's helped me before? It's actually this mucho mango. You would think that milk would be the first go-to. Oh, thank you so much for tuning in for another enduring hot chicken flavor ramen with me as we go to move towards the 2X spicy challenge. Catch y'all next time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow all that good stuff and comment below too. That's important. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.